Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to change iPhone color back to normal and how we can do it. So let's get started. So what we are going to do is we just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on accessibility. Now from here tap on the display and text size. Now from here you have to scroll down all the way down and tap on color filters. And what you need to do is, as you can see, the color filter is turned on. So what we need to do is just go over here, turn this off. And right now this is the color back. You're done with that. And also parallelly you just need to go back, and if the classic inverter is turned on, you have to turn it off. And also similarly the smart invert, if it is turned on, you have to turn this off. For me, I have already turned this off. So if any one of these things are actually turned on, you have to turn this off. And this is what you have to do. And if you go back, this is how it looks like. And I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.